Hello and welcome back to yet another new unboxing video. So today we're going to be opening Mask of Change. Well, Twilight Masquerade in English. Of course, this is once again half of Twilight Masquerade. So yeah, here we have, if I remember, Ogerpon and there's a few trainers, but I kind of forgot, it's been a while. But you know, that could be a surprise too. You know, sometimes not knowing is good, because otherwise everything gets spoiled. Now, the reason why this took so long was because, one, for a short while things were still overpriced and it wasn't being sold on Pokemon Center. These, well, I say these because I bought two, but I'm keeping one. I say these boxes were not initially sold on Pokemon Center and they were still selling it for slightly over MSRP, so I decided to just wait. And true enough, eventually they restocked. In fact, as of right now, the filming of this video, May 10th, they've actually been restocking Japanese 151 packs. So yeah, they're flooding the market with those. So if you miss your chance, you can try to go get it. The price of the boxes should drop because they also mentioned they will be restocking 151 boxes in like local game stores and all that. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's a good time to be a fan. Not so much if you're a flipper or scalper, but if you're a fan, there's no better time than now to start buying. And of course, the price of the cards will go down, so yeah. Because to a certain degree, I do believe that in long term, the boxes do have value, just how much time you need to take. It might... Okay. It looks like it's gold. Do we hit it this quickly? It's Ogerpon, no? Woo! Wow, okay, we hit it already, you are. Whoa, man, because and it's the favorite one also, the green one. The rest look kind of odd. I think the green one suits Ogerpon the best. But going back to that, if I recall, the SARs look very close to the UR, so I actually don't mind this UR. Very, very nice. Oh yes, Carmine. I wanted Carmine SAR. But given the availability of these boxes, I do believe that when I go there in the end of June, the price of Carmine should be lower. So if I can't get it, then I'll just go there and buy it. And if possible, I might try to get a PSA 10 one. Wow, okay. In a row? It can't be, right? This is... Okay, this is a Terrestrialize. Wow. Is it me or are the impact lines a lot nicer for this set? These lines. Pretty good, pretty good. I mean, it goes without saying that this set is Ogerpon centric, so you can see all the hits are Ogerpon, which is arguably more popular than the tortoise. Forgot what's his name already. It's quite forgettable. It's not really a character and it's not really legendary, so I don't know, man. The characters in the second DLC, Indigo Disc, were better than the Pokemon, but in the first DLC, Ogerpon was like the star. I wonder if there are any trainers or not though, any high value trainers. But well, since we hit the stuff, if I have anything to say, I'll just say it. Otherwise, I think we'll just speed up a bit, all right? Oh, AR. Right, we have 3, so... And of course, it's the something trio. Man. You can tell I'm a huge fan of Scarlet and Violet. But it's the trio that Ogerpon fought against. The next set will feature Pecharunt, so I'm not sure who's going to be in there. Since Kieran and Carmine are already here. So with Pecharunt... Yeah, I have no idea, man. That's maybe another character or something. Oh, Dragapult. Yeah, so URs are extra. But our hit was a Chansey. Possibly the worst hit you could get in this set. Well, maybe not. Maybe Dragapult. Blissey, I mean. Not the worst, but still. Okay, now all we have left are 2 ARs. So 2 ARs and A spec. Don't know what A spec we're gonna get. But it is quite lucky that we got the Ogerpon then. Because UR's on the first box. This is the first box of this set I've ever opened, so pretty good, I'd say, our luck. Although our hit isn't really... You know, I wonder if Ogerpon's playable. Right, just in case, if there's any value to the ultra rare, I'll just put it up when I pulled it. Otherwise, yeah, let's just continue. There's not going to be much left, so let's just speed up again. Oh, Chimeco! Damn, okay, this is nice. I like that. I like that a lot. I was thinking we might get the trio, the mischievous trio, but I forgot Chimeco was in here. I saw the preview a while ago, but I didn't remember. Luxray EX. We're almost at the end. 3 packs left. We'll be doing a lot more openings while we're in Japan, so I'm kinda secretly looking forward to it. And that's why I'm not opening that much now. Way less. I'm saving up, guys. I'm saving up. Okay, Ace pack. I don't know if this is gonna be a banger. That's a chest, loot box, which technically our packs are. Man, it's making me wanna open one more box, but no, I gotta hold back. Gotta control myself, man. We gotta save it for when we go to Japan. But I guess this is a good time to get back to normal speed. Although we have... Oh, there's something. I know its final evolution is Congo Der from Black and White, but I forgot its name. Okay, but interesting. Pretty nice. Hopefully we get more pulls while we're there. And I'll be trying to see if I can salvage some of these cards. Because I don't play Pokemon in Japan. Japanese, I mean. I only play the English cards. Because I can't read. Well, technically I can translate it, but you know, too much of a hassle. I'd rather read the English text. But yep, we've pulled everything. Now, let's see the spoils of war. Alright, first off, we have the absolutely beautiful Ogerpon with the green mask. You can see it's kind of crystal shaped. You can see the angles, the foiling on the mask. It's honestly pretty insane. I love this card. It's really, really nice. Blissey, which is, I don't know if it's a playable card, but you know, we'll see. We have our ace spec. Let's see if I can. No idea. I don't know if I'm reading it right. So I won't. But I'll see whether this has a price. So I'll put it here. Right. Then we have the builder, the Machop equivalent in black and white, because black and white was kind of a reset. So Chameko for a Gen 3 throwback. Get the bird. And we get a few other Ogerpons and Dragapult terrestrialized, and a Luxray. Overall, I think it's quite a good set of pulls. And yeah, I'm looking forward to pulling more. My hand's still pretty itchy and I want to pull more, but I know that I shouldn't, so I won't. Alright, I'll see you all in hopefully soon in Japan with more videos and stuff. Alright, bye.